You sit there scrolling, watching other people build robots, watching other people get into tech, watching other people make money. And you tell yourself, I don't have experience. I don't have a degree. I don't know where to start. Stop it. Stop it. That weak, pathetic voice in your head, it's keeping you broke. You don't need permission. You don't need a degree. You definitely don't need some professor's approval to start in robotics. You just need to get off your rear end and take action. Somebody type in the comments, I'm done making excuses. Step 1, master high demand skills. Listen, companies don't hire degrees, they hire results. Somebody type in the comments, what can you do? Because if you want to walk in financial freedom, you need to learn the skills that bring value. What are the biggest money makers in robotics? Robotic software development, computer vision and machine learning, robot motion planning, and control. You see the pattern? Every single one of these solves a problem. And when you can solve problems, you will never be broke another day in your life. Somebody type in the comments, solve the problem, secure the bag. Step 2, pick a path. This is where most of you will fail. I know it. This is where most of you are going to fail. You try to learn everything at once like some clown juggling flaming chainsaws. I need to learn AI and circuits and firmware and controls. No, you don't. Pick one thing, master it, then move on. Want to build robots? Learn CAD, 3D printing hardware design. Want to program robots? Learn Python, C++, and ROS. Want to make robots think? Learn computer vision, AI, and machine learning. Stop running in circles like a headless chicken. Lock in. Somebody type in the comments, I'm locking in. I'm locking in. Step 3, build a portfolio because talk is cheap. You know it. Let me be very clear. Nobody cares that you're passionate. Nobody cares that you really want it. Nobody is going to hand you a robotics job just because you watch YouTube tutorials. You need to build something. Build a robot that can follow a line. Program an AI to track objects. Make an Arduino move a motor. I don't care if it looks like a kid's science fair project. By God, just build. Somebody in the comments, please type, I'm building. Step 4, get into the right industries, please. Now I need you to lean in because this part right here is going to change your life. Some of you are gifted, but you're fishing in the wrong pond. That's right. You're wondering why the money isn't coming in. It's because you're in the wrong industry. Somebody type in the comments, money, 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 money. Medical robotics, robotic surgery, prosthetics, AI, healthcare automation, industrial automation, smart factories, AI-powered logistics, robotic arms. Then you have AI and computer vision robotics, okay? You got perception and deep learning, LLMs. If you want a 6-figure robotics career, you've got to step into the right industry at the right time. And that time is now. Now, step 5, network like your destiny depends on it, because it does. It's about to set somebody free right now. It's not just about what you know, it's about who knows you. Because you see, favor flows through relationships. Somebody type in the comments, closed mouths don't get fed on this boulevard. You need to get a tribe because lone wolves starve. Look, you need people around you who are winners. You need to surround yourself with builders, coders, and engineers who will push you. Attend robotics conferences. Shake hands with decision makers, industry leaders. Join robotics communities. Find the people who are already where you're trying to go. Connect with professionals on LinkedIn. Reach out. Ask for wisdom, build relationships. Contribute to open source robotics projects. This will get your name in the right spaces fast. Because listen, one conversation can change your career. One introduction can open a door that no degree ever could. If you're surrounded by losers, you'll stay a loser. If you're surrounded by builders, you'll build. Somebody type in the comments, I'm connecting with winners. Step 6, negotiate like you know your worth. Now let's talk about what we came for, the money. When that 6-figure offer finally comes in, and trust me, it's coming, know your worth. Research what people in your field are making. Negotiate salary, bonuses, stock options, and remote work flexibility. Because hear me, you don't get wealthy by settling. You get wealthy by making power moves, okay? Power moves. Somebody type in the comments, I'm making power moves. Somebody type in the comments, I'm getting paid. Somebody type in the comments, I'm going to get the bag. Final verdict. Can you really make 6 figures in robotics without a PhD? Yes, 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 yes. 1,000 times yes. But let me tell you this, most of you will fail. You know why? You know why? Because most people are weak. They're lazy. Most people watch this and think, oh, that sounds great. I'll start next week. Most people will say, yeah, I should learn robotics. And then you go binge watch Netflix. Most people will do absolutely nothing with this video. And guess what? They'll stay broke. They'll stay broke. But you're different. You're a monster. You will take action. You will build something. You will put yourself in the right rooms. You will take what's yours. Somebody type in the comments, I'm taking over. Somebody type in the comments, I'm ready right now. Somebody type in the comments, keep building. This is your time. This is your moment. Because I believe that the next robotics millionaire is watching this video right now. Make your move. Keep building.
Automatic Addison.